Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I curl my eyelashes. So the first thing to do is pop the eyelash curler on the lash as far back as you can get it. You want to get as much of your lashes in the curler as possible. Release after about 10-15 seconds. Again, pop your lashes back in the curler, but this time you're aiming to curl the middle of your lashes, so you're not pushing the curlers all the way back and getting your entire lash in. You're just curling the middle this time. And again, press and hold for about 10 to 15 seconds. And again, release. And next you want to get the very tips of your lashes inside the curler. And again, hold. Finally, what I do is I again put the entire lash inside the curler, and this time what I'm going to do is, instead of pressing and holding, I'm going to pump the curlers, and I'm going to do this again for about 10-15 seconds. And as you can see, the difference between this one and this one. What I'm going to do next, guys, is I'm going to put a bit of mascara on this one so you can see the difference. So as you can see, guys, the difference between this one and this one, it's quite a big difference. So what I'm going to do next, guys, I'm going to do the same to this one as I have this. I'm going to curl it, and I'm going to show you a before and after, side by side. Okay? So as you can see, guys, I've curled this side and applied mascara, and I've also applied some mascara to the bottom lashes, and yeah, I think it makes it such a big difference. If you liked this video, go to my channel and check out my other makeup videos and feminizing videos. Be safe, be kind, and God bless. Bye.